Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is often seen as a luxury, but is in fact, one of the most powerful tools you have for success, health, and happiness. We're talking about sleep. It's not just a time when your body shuts down, it's the time when your body and mind get to work, recharging, repairing, and renewing. It's your personal superpower. For the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into the science of sleep and uncover the secrets to optimizing your rest for peak mental and physical performance. We'll cover everything from the unseen costs of poor sleep to practical tips for transforming your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. This isn't just about getting more sleep, it's about getting better sleep. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential, let's get started on learning how to make sleep your superpower. Let's begin with the fascinating science of what happens when you close your eyes. Your body cycles through two main types of sleep, NREM, non-rapid eye movement, and REM, rapid eye movement. Each stage has a unique and vital job. NREM sleep is where the magic of physical restoration happens. It's divided into 3 stages. The first 2 are light sleep, but the third stage is deep sleep. This is where your body performs its essential housekeeping. It repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. If you wake up feeling physically refreshed and ready to tackle a workout, it's because you've had enough deep sleep. Then there's REM sleep. This is where your brain takes center stage. It's the stage where you dream most vividly. During REM sleep, your brain is busy processing emotions, consolidating memories, and integrating new information you learned during the day. This is why a good night's sleep is so crucial for learning and creativity. You might go to bed with a problem and wake up with a solution, and REM sleep is often the reason why. Now, let's talk about what happens when you don't get enough of this vital rest. The cost of poor sleep is far more significant than just feeling a little tired. Short term, you'll experience impaired concentration, a lack of focus, and increased irritability. It can make you more prone to accidents and mistakes, and it can dull your emotional regulation. But the long-term consequences are even more serious. Chronic sleep deprivation can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. It can disrupt the hormones that regulate hunger, leading to weight gain. Studies have also linked poor sleep to an increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and even type 2 diabetes. The bottom line is, you can't out-train or out-diet a lack of sleep. It's the foundation of all good health. The good news is that we have a lot of control over our sleep quality. And one of the most impactful places to start is your environment. Your bedroom should be a dedicated sanctuary for rest. Your sleep sanctuary, the ideal environment. One of the most impactful things you can do for better sleep is to create the perfect environment. The first rule is simple: make it cool, dark, and quiet. A cool room, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, helps lower your core body temperature, which is a natural signal for your brain to initiate sleep. Darkness is equally non-negotiable. Even a tiny bit of light can disrupt your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Investing in blackout curtains or using a simple sleep mask can create the total darkness your body needs. For noise, consider a fan or a white noise machine to block out sudden sounds that could pull you out of a deep sleep. Beyond the room's conditions, think about your bed itself. Your mattress and pillows are critical to your physical comfort. They should be supportive and comfortable, allowing your body to fully relax without pressure points. If you're waking up with a stiff neck, sore back, or general aches and pains, it might be a clear sign that your sleep setup isn't serving you well. Evaluating your mattress and pillows is a key step to preventing physical discomfort from disrupting your rest. The power of a nighttime routine. Once your environment is set, the next step is to build a consistent nighttime routine. Your body loves routine, and a consistent ritual signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. This is your cue to transition from the stress of the day to a state of calm. Start by implementing a digital sunset. About an hour before bed, turn off all screens, phones, tablets, and TVs. The blue light they emit can suppress melatonin production, tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, try calming, low-stimulation activities like reading a physical book, listening to a relaxing podcast, practicing gentle stretching, or journaling to clear your mind. It's also crucial to avoid stimulants. Caffeine, for example, has a long half-life and can linger in your system for hours, making it difficult to fall and stay asleep. Steer clear of it in the afternoon and evening. Similarly, while alcohol may make you feel drowsy at first, it can significantly disrupt your sleep later in the night, particularly the REM stage, which is vital for memory consolidation and emotional processing. Opt for a glass of water or herbal tea instead. The connection between what you eat, how you move, and how you sleep. The link between your daily habits and your sleep quality is incredibly strong. What and when you eat, along with your exercise routine, can either set you up for a peaceful night or a restless one. Nutrition for better sleep. When it comes to diet, timing is everything. A heavy, high-fat, or spicy meal right before bed can be a recipe for disaster. Your body has to work hard to digest this food, which can cause indigestion, heartburn, and discomfort, all of which interfere with your ability to fall and stay asleep. Instead, a light, healthy snack can actually be beneficial. Look for foods rich in nutrients that are known to promote relaxation and sleep. These include magnesium. This mineral helps relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. You can find it in foods like almonds, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens. Tryptophan. This amino acid is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Foods like oats, nuts, seeds, and even a small amount of lean poultry can provide a good dose of tryptophan. A small bowl of oatmeal or a handful of almonds about an hour before bed can be a perfect sleep-friendly snack. The role of exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the best things you can do for your sleep. Exercise helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock, and can significantly increase the amount of deep sleep you get. This is the restorative stage where your body repairs itself, so a good workout can lead to a more physically rejuvenating rest. However, the timing of your workout is key. Exercising too close to bedtime can be counterproductive. Intense physical activity raises your core body temperature and releases endorphins, which can create a state of alertness that makes it difficult to wind down. While some people may find an evening workout relaxing, a general rule of thumb is to finish your workout at least 3 hours before you plan to go to bed to give your body time to cool down and your mind time to relax. For an evening workout, opt for something low intensity, like gentle stretching, which can help prepare your body for rest. In our final minutes, let's recap. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the science behind your sleep stages to the practical steps you can take tonight. Remember, sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a non-negotiable biological necessity and a powerful tool for self-improvement. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start with one small change. Maybe tonight you'll turn off your phone an hour before bed. Or perhaps you'll try a handful of almonds as a late-night snack. Every small step you take to prioritize your sleep is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant, and more productive you. Your sleep is your superpower. It's the time your mind and body get to work, making you stronger, smarter, and healthier. Invest in your rest, and you'll be amazed at the returns. Thank you for joining us today. Sleep well, and live better. I hope the information we shared today has inspired you to take better care of your health. Always remember that your health is your most valuable asset, and every small step towards a healthy lifestyle is an investment in your future. If you liked this content and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button to support us, and share the video with those you love so everyone can benefit. And don't miss the chance to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all our new content first. Let us know in the comments, what health topic would you like us to talk about in our next videos? Your opinion is very important to us.